Hi, if you're wondering how can you make over $100,000 a year, then watch this short video to the end. Today, I'm going to tell you about the best website builder service. After trying many website builders, I found the best one and I've been using it for over 7 years. Let me tell you the 5 secrets that only few people know, which makes it really the best in the best website builders category. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos.
Squarespace. Ever felt like you're standing on the precipice of the digital realm, unsure of where to leap? That was me, until Squarespace beckoned. Join me as I recount my transformative journey with this platform. Navigating the vast sea of website builders, I was on the hunt for something that married sophistication with simplicity. And then, like a lighthouse in the fog, Squarespace emerged. Its reputation, a haven for those with dreams of creating an online store. The first thing that struck me was the sheer volume of templates. Over 80, each tailored for a unique purpose. It felt like walking through a digital art gallery. Categories like online stores, art and design, and more guided my exploration. As a copywriter, I naturally gravitated towards the professional services category. Among the 22 templates, the Reedy template caught my eye. And what a delight it was. Squarespace's preview mode was like a virtual tour, allowing me to experience every facet of my future site. But it wasn't just about the visuals. The built-in web analytics was akin to having a personal digital strategist by my side. From tracking visitor interactions to analyzing search queries, it was a treasure trove of insights. And for someone like me, who isn't an SEO expert, Squarespace's features felt like a guiding hand. Security, often an overlooked aspect, was front and center with Squarespace. The free SSL certificates not only ensured my visitors' safety, but also elevated my site's credibility in the eyes of search engines. Setting up felt like a breeze. Within minutes, I had a canvas ready to be painted with my ideas. And if I ever stumbled, Squarespace's support was just an email away. Their swift and insightful response to my logo placement query was a testament to their commitment. Now, let's talk pricing. While there isn't a free plan, the 14-day trial felt like a generous invitation to explore. And by the end, I was convinced that the value Squarespace offered was unparalleled. In conclusion, my tryst with Squarespace was nothing short of transformative. It wasn't just a tool, it was a partner in my digital journey. If you're seeking a platform that's both powerful and intuitive, Squarespace might just be your digital muse. Dive in and let your digital dreams soar. Zyro. I remember that day, sifting through countless website builders, hoping to find one that would resonate with my need for simplicity, without sacrificing functionality. Then I stumbled upon Zyro Sites, a newcomer in the vast realm of web builders. Curiosity piqued, I delved in. And here's my personal journey through its features. Navigating the dashboard was a breeze. Zyro had clearly put thought into its design with a minimalist, user-centric interface. For someone like me, who easily gets overwhelmed with too many bells and whistles, this was a breath of fresh air. The website creation process felt so natural and intuitive. No fluff, no unnecessary complexities. However, what genuinely piqued my intrigue were the AI-powered tools. I tested out the AI-driven content creation and was taken aback at how quickly tasks that used to take me hours were now done in mere minutes. And the AI heat map? A revelation. Predicting where my potential visitors would likely focus, I found myself making strategic design choices that I wouldn't have otherwise considered. The grid-based drag-and-drop feature was another standout. I've always been someone who values symmetry in design, and Zyro's grid system allowed me the flexibility of drag-and-drop while maintaining a cohesive design. It's as if they read my mind. Browsing through their template library, I was impressed. From blogs to e-commerce, they catered to various industries with modern, mobile-responsive designs. As someone who understands the mobile-first world we live in today, this was a big plus for me. Speaking of e-commerce, their capabilities in this space are robust. I toyed with the idea of setting up an online store, and Zyro seemed to have everything I'd need, from easy product listings to secure payment methods. Their integrated blogging tool was a sweet cherry on top. Perfect for someone like me who occasionally gets the itch to share a story or two. Now, I won't say everything was perfect. While Zyro is fantastic for someone like me, I could see how seasoned developers might find it a tad restrictive. And yes, being a young platform, there's room for growth in terms of app integrations and functionalities. So, if you've been on the hunt for a tool that seamlessly integrates form with function, Zyro sites might just be what you've been missing. I know it was for me. Site 123. Ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of building a website? Dive into my personal experience with Site 123 and discover if it's the magic wand you've been searching for. When I first stumbled upon Site 123, I was skeptical. Could a platform truly offer a seamless experience for someone like me, a novice in web design? Spoiler alert, it did, and here's my story. Site 123's promise was clear: to simplify the web building process, and boy did they deliver. From the get-go, I was presented with popular page types, letting me decide between a single-page layout or the classic multi-page format. The cherry on top? Every template was responsive, ensuring my site looked fabulous on any device. The color palettes were a treat. While the free version offered a fixed combination, upgrading unlocked a world of color possibilities. And the best part? I could change these settings anytime, giving me the freedom to evolve my site's look. Site 123 didn't just stop at aesthetics. The platform equipped me with tools to boost my site's visibility. From meta tags to Google Analytics, I felt like I had a digital marketing team right beside me. And for those looking to venture into e-commerce, Site 123's premium plans are a godsend. But what truly won me over was the platform's vast library of free images. As someone without a hefty budget for photos, this was a game changer. And for global souls, the multi-language support is a dream come true. The platform also catered to niche needs. From restaurant menus to tools for musicians, Site 123 seemed to think of everything. Building my site felt like piecing together a puzzle, with each section tailored to my needs. Whether it was the About Us or the gallery, the platform guided me, ensuring a polished result. The e-commerce section was a breeze. Organizing products, setting up payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, it felt almost too easy. And for those wary of commitments, Site 123's 14-day money-back guarantee is a comforting safety net. However, it wasn't all rainbows. The free plan had its limitations. The absence of a unique domain name and the ever-present Site 123 logo did make my site feel less professional. But with affordable premium plans on offer, upgrading was a no-brainer. In conclusion, Site 123 was my knight in shining armor in the vast world of web building. While it might not cater to those seeking intricate design customizations, for novices like me, it's a beacon. If you're on the hunt for a straightforward, efficient web builder, I wholeheartedly recommend giving Site 123 a shot. After all, every digital dream deserves a chance to shine. GoDaddy. Ever wondered if there's more to GoDaddy than those catchy commercials? Dive into my personal journey with their website builder and discover if it's the right fit for you. When most hear GoDaddy, they think domain names, but my curiosity led me beyond, to their website builder, GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing. An evolution of GoDaddy, this tool promised not just website creation, but also marketing and e-commerce solutions. Intrigued? So was I. Starting was a breeze. Existing GoDaddy users, rejoice. Your accounts have been automatically upgraded. Newbies like me can dip their toes with a free trial. But remember, after a month, it's time to commit with that credit card. The pricing structure is tiered, catering to diverse needs. From basic social media integration to full-blown e-commerce capabilities, there's a plan for everyone. And guess what? GoDaddy doesn't skimp on storage or data transfers. It's almost like having unlimited space. Now, onto the building process. Before diving into templates, I had to sign up. A minor inconvenience, but worth it. The launch wizard then quizzed me on my site's purpose and desired name. For my writer's heart, it suggested a typewriter-themed template. With over 100 templates, there's something for everyone. The interface, clean and intuitive. Social media integration, SEO settings, and more were just a click away. But here's where I hit a snag. While adding images was easy, their placement and editing options were restrictive. I longed for more flexibility, especially when it came to mobile customization. On the bright side, the mobile version of my site looked sleek without any extra effort on my part. E-commerce enthusiasts. GoDaddy has you covered. From product listings to shipping options and even integrations with platforms like Amazon and eBay, it's all there. But, a heads up, the full online store feature is exclusive to the top-tier plan. Another highlight, the email marketing tool. Sending out newsletters or promotional emails was a cinch. And for those concerned about SEO, GoDaddy offers a handy wizard to make your site search engine friendly. In conclusion, GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing is a solid choice for those seeking simplicity. But if you're a customization junkie, it might leave you wanting. As for me, my GoDaddy adventure was enlightening. It's not just about domains, it's about bringing your digital vision to life. So, if you're on the fence, give it a whirl. After all, every great journey starts with a single click.
Bandzoogle. It was a chilly evening when I stumbled upon the gem that is Bandzoogle. Having been a passionate musician, I've traversed the digital realm seeking the perfect platform to showcase my art. Today, dear readers, let me narrate my remarkable journey with Bandzoogle, which transformed my musical presence online. Amid the endless sea of website builders, Bandzoogle emerged as the knight in shining armor, dedicated to musicians like myself. Every inch of its design echoed the rhythm of the music industry, making me feel right at home. I dived into the world of Bandzoogle's themes, each perfectly in sync with the music world's vibe, be it album releases or concert announcements. And then there's the music integration. Oh, the beauty of it. My fans could plug in their headphones and dive straight into my tracks, effortlessly streaming from the website. I could organize my tracks, curate playlists, and even showcase my best hits, ensuring my audience always had a musical feast. Plus, the mailing list feature became my go-to for keeping my fanbase engaged, and diving into fan analytics was like reading a thrilling novel where I discovered regions I was a hit in tracks that were fan favorites. Navigating the digital music industry is no piece of cake. Funds are crucial. And guess what? Bandzoogle was right there, holding my hand with its direct-to-fan crowdfunding. Launching a new album or project felt less daunting. I even explored their subscription models, creating a tight-knit community of die-hard fans. No artist can overlook visibility. Bandzoogle's SEO tools became my beacon, guiding me to shine brighter in the vast digital universe. With easy social media sharing options, my music echoed far and wide. Last but not least, their customer support. A team that not only solved my technical glitches, but understood my musical soul. In essence, Bandzoogle wasn't just another platform, it became my digital companion. It was there in my highs and lows, ensuring my voice echoed far and wide in the digital symphony. If you're in the world of music, take it from me. Bandzoogle might just be the magic wand you've been searching for.